Hi, I've taught in daycare centers, elementary schools, undergraduate college programs until I found my niche at OLLI. I'm Mike Berkowitz, and I love the maturity, participation, and insights that our members have. But there's a problem when it comes to political topics. We can't have a well-rounded discussion because our membership is so liberal. I would sometimes play devil's advocate, but wouldn't it be better to have folks who genuinely express conservative views? Enter Zoom. I'll be teaching a fall course called Conservatives and Liberals, not Conservatives versus Liberals. What's unusual about the class is that half of the students will be from Maine and half of the students will be from the OLLI program at Louisiana State University. That way we can share our views and hear the views from the other side. I'll use mini lectures and PowerPoint slide formats. We'll use polls, we'll watch video clips, all in order to set up discussion on various contemporary topics. If you want to better understand others, maybe we'll see you then.
Thank you for listening to this short presentation by OLLI at USM. Fall registration opens August 4th at midnight. So if you have questions about this class or want help with registration, please feel free to give us a call at 207-780-4406 or email us at olliatusm@maine.edu. We hope to see you in the fall.